Order, honorable members, order. Honorable members, from our records, honorable members, submitted to me by the clerk, confirmed by the teller, the Honorable Erick B, that the total votes of 31 has been confirmed for the ayes side. But however, honorable members, if none has voted, I still present this opportunity if anyone in the House probably that I have not seen. And from the look of things, there is none. So there being none, honorable members, it now appears to me that all members who are present and who wish to vote have done so. I now direct the clerk again to read out the results. Please, as per our standing orders. Clerk reads out the results as per the standing orders. So you confirm, yes, you read, you say, proceed.
That one voted yes. That is the for the motion. 60.
Honorable members, I now, before I declare the result, I want to address the question that has been raised not only by the legal counsels representing the governor, as well as also the honorable members who have contributed in the flow of the House. Honorable members, this being a question that has a threshold of a resolution of 2/3 of the members to pass, and considering that the 2/3 of the membership of this House is 31.33, that is 31.33, I have deliberately struggled to understand the implications of the decimal points 33, knowing very well no human being is to be treated incomplete. I have allowed myself to be guided by the decision of Honorable Justice Manani in the case of Michael Justin Nkadunda versus County Assembly of Tana River and 4 others. That was Constitutional Petition 006 of 2021, which was filed in 2022, KEELRC 1605, KLR dated 29 July of 2022, in which the Honorable Judge, when confronted with a similar question in a similar scenario, held as follows. In effect, the ad hoc select committee, I quote, in effect, the ad hoc select committee must comprise of at least 1/3 of the total membership of the first respondent for it to be compliant with the first respondent's SOs. The parties are in agreement that the first respondent had, at the time of the matters giving rise to the course of action in this case, a total of 23 members of the County Assembly. It is also common ground that mathematically 1/3 of this membership is about 7.6, that is 7.6 persons. And as a natural person cannot be fragmented into a fraction, the logical thing will be to round off the decimal 6 to the nearest round number. I still quote, in terms of matters rounding off, the standard practice is that when there is need to round off, one rounds off to the nearest number. In this case, the nearest number to 7.6 is 8 and not 7. The threshold issue with regards to the County Assembly quorum was also determined by the Nairobi County Assembly through its communication dated 6 September 2017, from the clerk of the county assembly while conducting an election of the honorable speaker, who further determined that the quorum of the county assembly is 41, that is a third, members out of 122 of the county assembly. The 2/3 threshold then was determined to be 81, that is 2/3 for the speaker to have been duly elected. Honorable members, based on the foregoing, I give the direction that the 2/3 of the membership of this house required to pass the motion for impeachment of His Excellency the Governor is 31 members. My position is further by the fact that we have customarily and by practice since the inception of devolution taken 1/3 of the members of this assembly house to be 16, meaning the balance of the members being 2/3 is equivalent to 31. Honorable members of this house, I have pronounced myself on that matter, and therefore declares that the motion seeking the removal of impeachment from office of the Governor for Kericho County, Honorable Dr. Erick Mutai, by impeachment has been supported by 2/3 of the members of the County Assembly of Kericho. I therefore declare that the motion is passed and the Governor, Dr. Erick Mutai, stands impeached by the County Assembly. Order, honorable members, we have come to conclusion of our special motion in regards to the removal of office of the Governor for Kericho County, Honorable Dr. Erick Mutai, by impeachment, and therefore, being there no other order of business, this house stands adjourned until this afternoon at 2:30 p.m.